Hello, welcome back to the Agramatics Cloud Service video guide series. Today we'll be going over the Fields tab in a little bit of extra detail, showing some of the advanced features that we can use here. Um, to get here, you will need to sign in at cloud.agramatics.com and choose your account. Today I am on our support account. It is a pro subscription enabled account. We will be going over some of the differences between the basic and pro features as we go along. Once you're signed in and ready to go, we can move over to our Fields tab here. And the functionality is going to look very similar between this and the Libre apps. You can see we have our growers, our farms, and our fields here. The biggest difference between the Pro and Basic features is going to be how your data is organized. If you are a Basic subscriber, all of your users will be acting as separate databases. So if you're looking for a farm and it's not here, it might be in one of your other users, and you're going to have to go in and select the correct user to view data from. If you're a Pro subscriber, all of your data is combined and synced between all of your users, so it's all in the right place and they're all sharing the same data between each other. So important to know that if you have multiple devices, you may want to think about upgrading there. It all depends on how you run your operation though. For us, we can start at the growers level here. The Pro subscription will also give you the ability here to add and edit details from the cloud site itself. If you're on Basic, all of the editing will have to be done through the Libre app. But at growers here, we can add a grower if we wish to, and we can edit our current growers' names. We can also archive growers. Archive is another pro feature that a subscription will gain you access to. It allows you to just like deleting, it'll remove the grower or farm or field or any other data that you've been deleting from the viewable list, but it will not outright delete the data. So if anything has data related to it, it will be archived and is available in your archive section here. If it has no data related to it, it will be deleted, same as always. Moving a little bit further down here into our Farms tab, we have again the ability to add, edit, and archive if we are a Pro subscriber. Otherwise, we can just keep drilling down into our fields here. This is where a lot of the data lives for your fields, obviously, just like in the Libre app. We can see here that we have our list of fields, their names, their area, what kind of crop they're running, their wet total weight and volume, and their wet yield here. If you have the Pro subscription, you once again have the ability to add a field, and then you also gain access to some additional buttons over here apart from just the archive and field edit buttons. You gain the bulk transaction edit. This allows you to edit all transactions assigned to a field from the current viewable season. You can change all the moisture for every transaction, the test weight, the temperatures, the operator, and say like you were farming and you had a field set, and for your entire day, all the transactions were coming off of the wrong field. You can bulk edit all the transactions to be coming off of the correct field. You also gain the field performance view here. You can see all of the details related to kind of the users that have been working on the field. You can gain, some insight into how much weight they're pulling, um, you know, per user there. Some interesting info for sure. Drilling into the fields here, we can gain a lot more data as well. We can see the time a transaction was created for a field, the user that created it, and where it was created through lat and long. We can see the dry and wet weights and volumes, the crop that was coming off of the field, and where the transaction went to. Um, we can see some other field data from here as well. If you are Pro, you once again add the ability to add transactions manually and edit them and archive or delete them. That has been the Cloud Fields tab in a little bit more detail. For more instructional videos, app help, how-to guides, and troubleshooting tips, please visit our support page at support.agrommatics.com.